These three for us. These three sweet potatoes. This is the sweet potato. Hold on, no. I'm going to cook it for my. But before I cook it, let me tell you the health benefits. Come with me. Listen carefully. All those free radicals that are in the system that causes sickness, they cause diseases, they cause aging, all those wrinkles and all those things. So sweet potato is good. It's a good source of antioxidants. They are an excellent source of energy, fiber, and essential nutrients like vitamin A, C, and potassium. I'm just going to list the other bullet points. I've said before, it has antioxidant properties. It boosts immune system. It's good for the eye. It says sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin A, which is crucial for maintaining healthy vision and preventing eye disorders. It's good for the guts and the digestive health. That is, it makes you to release your bowels, do your number two with ease. Inflammation reduction. Sweet potatoes contain anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation and prevent chronic diseases like cardiovascular disease and cancer. Weight loss and management. It says sweet potatoes are low in fat and high in fiber, making them an excellent addition to a weight loss diet. Then it prevents cancer, then it's good for the health, the heart health, and then the skin and the hair. So come with me, let's make this sweet potato for
1, 2, 3, and cook it. Cook it. Cook it.
I'm going to just cut it to be round like this. See, I'm cutting it. At times you still have some part that is getting bad inside. The second one. There's the final one. So you don't even need to rinse and rinse and rinse and rinse. See, just one rinse and that's okay. So I'm going to cook it now. So this is our sweet potato. This is it. I'm going to add a little salt. So I've added a little salt. Let me just add a little more water. And this is it. So I'll cover now to cook. So this is our sweet potato. It's ready. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Sweet potato is ready. So tell me, if you are the one, what will you eat it with? What will you eat it with? What should I serve it with? Drop it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.